IS01 again. IS01, right? 1030 dash 3002 dash 0422 dash 00005 dash ITA, right? Okay, and let me untake this, then execute, right? Go to create order. Order type is going to be BM07. I will simply pass on this, then this, and header data, that is AMC of laptops. Next, plant maintenance type is going to be BM3, right? Next, come to the objects. I will copy this, then I will write manually, being or having the safer side, right? If I enter over here, right, now it is going to be the description of these two laptops, right, going to be shown over here. Let us see. You can see over here these two the description of these two laptops, right? Next, two tabs have already been maintained. The data of two tabs, one was header data and next was objects. Now come to the third tab, that is operations tab, right? Let me enter this, right? Now, within this operation tab, first of all, what you are going to do, change the control key. Let me expand this control key from PM01 to PM03, where PM01 says, let me take the help, maintenance services, that is internal, and PM03 says plant maintenance external services, right? Whether it is AMC or vendor extra for external services purpose, right? In either of the case, we are going to take the control key as PM03. Let me enter this, right? Next, I will click on, right? No, I'm getting some issue. I will not be able to work on this computer. Okay, no issue, right? First of all, I have to change this control key, PM03. Then, right? Then what I have to do, I have to maintain the header with respect to this maintenance order or AMC maintenance order. For that purpose, I'm going to click on the external, right? These tabs are available on bottom of the screen, right? Within this operation tab, these are available on bottom of the screen, and I have to click on external tab. Then I'm getting the message, calculation of labor made and in service package, simply enter, right? Now, as usual, as we have done in our previous journeys, we have to maintain material group as 1 followed by 6 zeros. You can take the help. What is the significance of this? That is GST services, single material group for GST services. I will enter over here. Next to this is going to be purchasing group. As you all are aware, it is going to be 010, 020, 030, and like that. Means from which level you are actually executing or exercising this. As in my case, right, I'm doing this in Coimbatore SSA, means I'm covering the laptops of one STCA, then it is going to be 040. Next, what is the nature, whether it is centralized or decentralized? You can take the help. In my case, it is going to be decentralized type, that is 2000, right? Decentralized purchase organization. Next to this is going to be requisitioner. Let us say it's me, ADCFA, and let me have my tracking number, that is 9412000289, right? We have maintained in this small sub-window, 5 informations, material group, 1 followed by 6 zeros, purchase group 040/2000, then requisitioner, it's me, and then my tracking number. Next to this, when I scroll down, I have to scroll down, right? Right over here, you can see there are three, right, horizontal tabs. One is services, other one is components, and next relationships, right? Now it's the time to maintain the service parameters within this maintenance order of AMC. Then I'm going to use the services tab. Within this services tab, first of all, I have to select the service, right? Which service you want. I can take the help from here, as I have to cover my laptops or computers under AMC. Then I can understand that services must have the text AMC. Let me search by using standard service catalog search and short service text. I will enter over here, let us say AMC. Let us see whether it is case sensitive or not. I will enter. It will show me all the services having the word AMC. Okay, then I can identify, I can select mine one. सर बस एक इशू आ रहा है टुडे सर, प्लीज वेट. इशू ये आ रहा है, मैं इसको स्क्रॉल करते हुए नीचे नहीं हो रहा. हाँ, मैं आप बस 2 मिनट देखिएगा सर, वहाँ कोई इशू आएगा तो बस वो मुझे शेयर. ओके, राइट. Now, what I was saying ki now this is going to be the complete list of services having the word AMC. I have to identify, I have to select mine one, and mine one is actually AMC of computers. Let us see. Right? You can see over here 75000015. 75000015, that is pertaining to, that is meant for AMC services, IT, computers, PCs and laptops. Then definitely it is best suited services for us. It is directly saying ki yes, it's me, right? When I enter, next is going to be the quantity, and as I said, quantity stands for, it will pertaining to the billing cycle, right? Let us say it is quarterly billing cycle, right? Then I will ensure the quantity as 4. Let me ensure over here. Then gross price per cycle, right? Let us say I want to pay 100 rupees. I have to pay means, let us say, right? There has been, I came to know by offline agreement, yeah, by the quotations from the vendor, ki sir, in order to, for maintaining one laptop per